So guys, I hope you all are doing well. So in this video, we'll be discussing about ThoughtWorks recruitment drive. So the ThoughtWorks is hiring for the role of quality assurance engineer or the QA engineer, and they are hiring for the fresh graduate. That means graduates having 0 to 6 months of experience. So if you are discussing further, if you are new to our channel, then please subscribe so that you will be getting timely updates regarding latest top campus and the interview preparation videos or the guides. So now let's discuss. So they are hiring for the graduate QA developer diversity challenge. So this is the algorithm challenge, and they're hiring for the graduate quality assurance analyst through this challenge or through this written test or through this off campus. And experience required is 0 years plus experience, and salary will be getting 8.3 LPA plus. This is the CTC. And the diversity challenge opens on February 19th February 6:30 am and closes at 20th February 12:25 pm. And the duration of the challenge or written test is 2 hour only. So now let's discuss about the eligibility and the other things. So only the female candidates are eligible for this job profile. No male candidates are eligible for this off campus or for this written test. Then BTech, for B or BTech, all the branches like non-IT, IT background, all are eligible. Then MCA, for MTech, CSC, IT candidates are eligible. For MSc, CS background candidates or the related stream candidates are eligible. And only the 2020 year of pass out or the graduate candidates can apply for this off campus. Remember this thing? Other year of pass out or the batch candidates can not apply for this job profile for this off campus, like 2019 or 2021, 2018 are not eligible. Only the 2020 batch candidates are eligible. Then work experience is required 0 to 6 months only. If you have more than this much of experience, like 6 months or 7 8 months, then you are not eligible. Or they may consider if you have 15 days or 1 month extra experience, it's fine, but you must not have experience more than 1 year, maximum 7 to 8 months, it's fine. Then challenge format. So there will be two programming questions based on the data structure and the algorithms. So you'll require a webcam to able to take the this test. Please have a functional webcam enabled and grant access to the pop-up on the browser. So these are the requirements. That means online you will be attending this off campus or written test. So in order to attend this off campus, you must be having the webcam enabled plus any laptop or any Mac, etc. Then these are the support links, so I'll be putting these links as well. So if you are facing any difficulty while attending this off campus, you'll be able to solve this. So to take up the test and stand as chance to be part of this emerging team. So open positions are the graduate quality analyst, as we discussed earlier. Experience is required, CTC. And job location, they are hiring for various job locations, like you can say pan India. They're hiring for Bangalore, Chennai, Coimbatore, Gurgaon, Hyderabad, Pune, Mumbai. Almost every uh, good cities, or you can say metropolitan cities, are there in the job location. You can join any of these locations as per your convenience. Then total number of vacancies are 20 plus vacancies they have for this off campus or for this job profile. It's a very good thing. Most of the companies, sometimes those you hire through the Hacker Earth, they have 5 6 8 openings or the vacancies, but for this company they have 20 openings. So it's a the probability of being shortlisted is more. And now let's discuss about the what are they looking for. Less than 6 months of experience, extremely good at logical thinking and problem solving capability, ability to articulate in details, ability to write simple code to test the application, and awareness of basic object oriented programming, classes, methods, etc., and knowledge of testing within the agile development environment, etc., and passion for the technology and the software quality. These are the skills or qualities required for this off campus or for this job profile. So now let's discuss about the practice test. So if you want to practice all these tests for this off campus, or if you want to prepare for this off campus, then you need to go through this link in order to practice the challenge. So it's already open, it's live right now. You can practice all these things by simply click on the right now button here. So I'll be putting this link as well in the description of this video, so that you'll be able to practice all these things, so that you'll be able to crack this off campus or the written test. So if you want to attend this, you need to simply click on the register button here. After that, you need to create an account first in their HackerEarth portal. So I hope most of the candidates have the account in this HackerEarth portal. So if you don't have any account in the HackerEarth website or portal, first you need to create an account, then you will be able to register yourself for this. And yes, you will be getting the links in your registered email address only. That means the test link will be getting in the registered email address. So this is all about the application process, etc. So I hope you all are able to understand this. So if you have any doubts regarding this off campus, you can comment your doubts in the comment section below. So thank you for watching and all the best for your job search.